Hello students. Topic for today's class is articles. Students, you get a question in your exam that is do as directed. I know you all have heard this word in your English grammar class. So with this hope that you have already heard this word, I'm going to begin right with what kind of question will you get in your exam. You get this question do as directed. In this question you may get one part as this: English is difficult language, and in the bracket you are given a direction: give a suitable article. I have felt that students get confused here. They fail to understand that what are they supposed to fill in this blank. They do not understand this word article. So first of all, I would like to make you clear what does this word article mean as far as your English grammar is concerned. Article is a word that has been used in Indian Constitution, right? There are number of articles in our constitution. Then if you open the dictionary and find out the meaning, the first meaning you will get for this word is thing, an item, right? But in English grammar, this word article has nothing to do with constitution or nothing to do with thing. In English grammar, article means a, an, the. So whenever you get this type of question and you are asked to fill in the blank with a suitable article, you are going to fill that blank with one of these words. It can be a, it can be an, it can be the. I hope up to this point I am clear. First we will solve this blank. English is a difficult language, right? Now I will make you clear use of how to use a, an, and the, right? Let me rub this first. We'll start with the use of a, right? You are not going to pronounce this letter as a when you are talking about articles, right? It is a. Fine. See, a and side by side I'll be telling you about an. First condition is we use a and an before singular noun. An is also used before singular noun. Both this a and an, these both are indefinite articles. कौन से आर्टिकल हैं ये? Indefinite, right? Indefinite means these articles are not used before any particular thing, any particular object, any particular animal, any particular place, right? These are used for indefinite things, not particular things, right? Both are used before singular nouns, right? Now what is the difference? How are these articles different from each other? The first thing is, you all have read Hindi, right? I'll be giving you examples in Hindi also. This article A is used before consonant sound. In schools, you might have been taught. I have seen many students like making this mistake. They think that if a word starts with a consonant letter, then he or she is supposed to use a. No, you should not follow the letter of the word. You should follow the sound. What kind of sound that word starts with? The first sound of the word, if it is consonant, then you are going to use article a. For example, a cap, a kettle, a bottle, क ब, ठीक है, a pen, a dog. See, the first sound of this word is k, k, b, p, d. All these sounds are consonant sounds. I'll give you an example in Hindi. You all might have learned ka, kha, ga in your nursery classes. So all the sounds from ka to shra are consonant sounds. Any word in English, any singular noun in English starting from these sounds is considered as consonant sound. The word starting with consonant sound. So you are supposed to use the article a in front of consonant sound, before the consonant sound, before a noun starting with the consonant sound. Now let's come to use of an. An is also used before a singular noun, but the sound here should be vowel sound. How many vowels we have in English? 5. Which? A, E, I, O, U. Some students think that any noun starting with A, E, I, O, U, right? Any word starting with A, E, I, O, U, before that word we should use an. No. Not before this letter, but before sound. Sound of a, bada a. Sound of choti e, badi e. Sound of chota u या बड़ा u. Sound of छोटी a या बड़ी a. Sound of छोटी o या बड़ी o. Right? In front of these sounds, any word starting with these sounds, before that word we use the article an. For example, an umbrella. So the first sound of this word is a, umbrella. A, an apple. Although this word starts with a consonant letter, but we will check sound before using an article before this, right? So the sound here is our. So we will use an, not a, right? I'll give you more examples. I hope I am clear up to this point. Let's take examples of a article. Students make this error. They see that here is U, this is a vowel in English, and so they should write here an. This is wrong. You should consider sound of this entire word. This word starts with the sound of y. Y in Hindi is considered as Vyanjan. It is very much a consonant sound. So here we will use a university. Right? Next take an example. He is although this letter is what is this letter? Is it a consonant sound or is it a consonant or it is a vowel? It is vowel, but you are not supposed to go after this letter. You are supposed to go after sound of this, first sound of this word. The first sound of this word is not E. No. Sound is Y. And Y is again consonant. Right? So, consonant के आगे हम क्या use करते हैं? A. He is a European. Similarly, अगर हमने लिखना हो, he is here, the sound of this letter is E. E is vowel sound. So, before a vowel sound, we will use an. The funda is very simple. We will go after sound of the word, the first sound of the word. If it is consonant sound, we are supposed to use a. If it is vowel sound, we are supposed to use an. Let's take one more example. She is MA. MA means Masters of Arts, right? This letter is consonant or article? This letter is consonant, but the sound of this letter is vowel. So we will write here she is an MA because sound is vowel sound. Vowel sound, and we will consider sound of this letter. जिसके आगे हमने आर्टिकल लगाना है, उस लेटर की जो फर्स्ट साउंड है हम उसको देखेंगे. Right? So I hope I am clear with this. A few things I would like to tell you, that a and an are used before singular noun. Number 2, you will go after sound of the first sound of the word, right? जिसके आगे blank लगी हुई है, उस blank के बाद जो letter है उसका sound क्या आ रहा है, उस sound को देखेंगे. अगर sound consonant है तो आप अ लगाएंगे, अगर sound vowel sound है तो आप एन लगाएंगे. Right? So next, let's move to the use of the. The is definite article. Articles are of two types, definite and indefinite. A and an are indefinite articles, as I earlier told you, right? But this the is definite article. Definite means the article the is used before particular thing, particular person, some special space. When we are talking about some unique thing, right? There we use the article the. For example, let me give you one example. I met a girl yesterday. Dash girl was 6 feet tall. ठीक है. Now the girl is common noun. It is singular noun. We could use a here, right? But we cannot. As far as this sentence is concerned, here we are not talking about any common girl. Here we are talking about a particular girl. Which girl? The girl whom I met yesterday. जिस लड़की को मैं कल मिला था, जिस लड़की को मैं कल मिली थी, वो लड़की की बात हो रही है. So we will use the article the girl, right? Some particular. We have already mentioned this girl here, and again in the next we are talking about the same girl, so this becomes a particular girl. We are talking about some particular girl. Then there are some unique things in the nature, in the universe, like sun, moon, जो अकेली चीज़ है और यूनिक है दुनिया में, right? Before such nouns we use article the sun, the moon, the earth. The earth is round. The sun shines bright. The sun sets in the west. We always use the article the, right? Next is we use article for rivers, names of rivers, names of seas, the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Ganga, the Nile. ठीक है. Then the Persian Gulf, the Pacific Ocean, oceans इनके लिए, right? These are also unique things, the only things in the world, right? Some well-known books like the Bible, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, right? सुपरलेटिव एडजेक्टिव आपने डिग्रीज की होंगी अपने स्कूल टाइम में, क्लासेस में, लाइक गुड, सेकेंड डिग्री इज बेटर, थर्ड इज बेस्ट. दिस इज कंपैरेटिव डिग्री एंड दिस इज सुपरलेटिव. एडजेक्टिव जब हम करेंगे तो आई लेट यू नो कहाँ कहाँ यूज होते हैं. बट यहाँ पे आप ये समझ लो कि जो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री होती है उनके आगे हमेशा द लगता है. ऑलवेज यूज द बिफोर सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, राइट? नेक्स्ट कम डायरेक्शंस. साउथ, वेस्ट, ईस्ट, नॉर्थ, दीज डायरेक्शंस. ठीक है, बिफोर दीज डायरेक्शंस वी ऑलवेज यूज द. These directions are always preceded by the article the, right? Next is we use article the not for countries. ठीक है, no, countries के आगे हमने नहीं लगाना. But as far as some collectively when we talk about some union, the United Kingdom, right? The United States of America. When we are talking about union of certain nations, states, provinces, then we use article the. The Union of Soviet Socialist Republic, जिसको हम USSR भी बोलते हैं, right? Here we use the. The is not used before the names of cities. You cannot say the Delhi. This is wrong. right? The is not used before the names of cities. The is not used before the names of countries, right? Cities के नाम के आगे नहीं लगाना, countries के नाम के आगे भी नहीं लगाना. The is not used before the names of languages. Like we can't say the English, the Punjabi, right? No, we can't use this. So I hope I am clear with the use of a, an and the. Okay students, bye.